Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be creating an illustration inspired by my favorite book, Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. And we'll be doing so by using the Shatter effect on Canva. So this is an effect that's really widely used at the moment, and you can also use it in your designs to create a more dissolving and transformative feeling between two images in your designs. Okay, first let's open a blank canvas. And this will be a black and white illustration. That's why I will leave the page white and I will use black elements on top of it. Let's add the main characters of our illustration. Of course, the main character of the book that I'm mentioning was Gregor Samsa, but I couldn't find a quick illustration of him, so we're gonna use Franz Kafka's illustration in this case, and of course the gigantic insect. So I want to create the shatter effect now. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to elements and look for splatter images. So write splatter in the search bar and try to find elements that can match the effect. Here we are looking for images that are not too intense and rich, and you want to find and use elements that will create a subtle effect that are not going to be so strong. For example, these are good ones that we can use. First, we will use these splatter images in white or in the same color as the background if you're using another background color to fade and dissolve our images. I want it to seem like both Kafka and the insect are fading. That's why I use the splatter elements in the same color as the background. Now that we faded our images, let's connect them with the same splatter elements, but this time in black. If you want to use this effect with colored images, make sure you use the same elements, but instead of black, use the color of your images depending on where you want to connect them. So if you want to connect them in a point where the image is black, use the splatter effect in black. If it's orange, use orange. If it's blue, use blue. Now that our effect is complete, let's decorate the scene with a street light and a night sky full of stars. It's ready. To make sure that the transition is smooth, you're going to want to take your time with it and go more deep into details. Of course, for the purpose of this video, I couldn't spend enough time on it, but if you want to be satisfied with your illustration, I think you should spend more time with it and create as much detail as you can. So that was the Shatter effect tutorial. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you next time.